Hello friends, welcome to Class 2 College. Kerala has begun with registrations for MBBS admissions for NEET UG 2021. So let me show you the screen so that from where you can do the registration and everything. So this is the website cee.kerala.gov.in, and you can see that the scrolling text is there. Applications invited for admission to engineering, architecture, medical allied and B pharma courses. The last date to apply June 21, 2021. Now here you can go and start the application process. So let us go there. So this new page will open up, and where you can, you will find all the details, prospectus, notifications and everything. For you people, we have made things little easier and compiled everything. So let's see this. This is the notification which has come. So medical courses, MBBS, BDS, BHMS, BMS, BSMS, and BUMS. Other than that, they have other courses. Now, candidates seeking admission to any of medical and medical allied courses should compulsorily appear for and qualify in the NEET examination. Okay. Then mode of submission of application. Those candidates who will satisfy the eligibility conditions as laid down in the prospectus, they have to fill in have to apply online on this website, which I have already shown to you, from 1st June 2021 to 21st June 2021, 5 p.m. The last date of submission of documents supporting your category and other details is 30th June 2021 till 5 p.m. Now you need to check your eligibility for admission. So nativity, only Indian citizens are eligible. Persons of Indian origin, overseas citizen of India, will also be treated at par with Indian citizens for the limited purpose of admission. However, PIO and OCI candidates will not be eligible for any kind of reservation. Now, you can be categorized in 3 categories. One is Keralite, a candidate of Kerala origin, non-Keralite category NK1, and non-Keralite category NK2. So those candidates who are non-Keralite and are from other states come into NK2 category. 15% of the seats for the admission to students for MBBS, BMS, BUMS, BSMS courses in self-financing medical colleges in Kerala are set apart for the allotment of candidates irrespective of their domicile as per the rank list prepared by the Commissioner for Entrance Examination on the basis of rank obtained in the NEET UG 2021. So this is for 15% management seats. 15% of the total management seats is available for non-Keralite category students NK2. Now the qualification for admission to MBBS, candidates who have passed in the subjects of physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology and English individually at the higher secondary examination of Board of Higher Secondary Education Kerala or examinations recognized equivalent thereto and obtained a minimum 50% marks taken together in physics, chemistry and biology or biotechnology are eligible. Okay. Now, similarly, for other courses, the eligibility is written down. Let's go to the relaxation in marks. In the case of MBBS and BDS courses, candidates belonging to SC, ST or SEBC, the marks obtained in the 3 subjects, physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology, taken together must be more than 40% instead of 50%. Okay, it should be 40% or more than that. For PWD quota, as published by the Commissioner for Entrance Examination, the minimum marks obtained should be 45% instead of 50%. Now let's come to the age part of this application. Must have completed 17 years of age as on this 31st December 2021. Okay. Now the schedule is for engineering pharmacy, so it doesn't concern MBBS candidates. While applying right now, you need to fill in general category student 500 rupees, SC category student 200 rupees, and there is no registration application fee for ST category student. You can either pay through online or e-challan. Last date and time I have already shared with you. Online submission of application is till 21st June, 5 p.m. Candidate should upload photo, should be taken within 6 months, signature, date of birth proof, nativity proof, along with online application within 21 June 2021, 5 p.m. Eligibility certificates and other supporting documents should be uploaded on or before 30th June, 5 p.m. Now, nativity proof and date of birth proof. All candidates should upload nativity proof and date of birth proof along with online application. Candidates who have already passed the above +2 VHSC course must upload the mark list of the qualifying exam. Course certificate is to be obtained in the prescribed format only. So this is the notification. Now, how the application will happen. So you must have computer system, internet connection. Okay. You must have your dedicated mobile number and email ID, which you will be using throughout. You must have your photograph, which should not be taken, before 6 months, and your signature. Size of photograph is 150 pixel by 200 pixel. Size and file size should be 15 KB to 100 KB. And candidate signature is 150 pixel by 100 pixel, 10 KB to 100 KB. Now, PDF format of certificate, proof of nativity. Now, proof for nativity is birth certificate, SSLC certificate, or passport, showing the candidate's place of birth. Proof for date of birth. PDF format of date of birth proof must be uploaded in the application format portal. Similarly, there are other for non-creamy, special reservation, income certificate, other certificates. Application fee we have already spoken about. For medical, 500, for general, 200 for SC, ST, NIL. So once we have registered, you have to fill the application, pay the application fee, upload images, and print acknowledgement. So you can find this complete document with all the details, all the screenshots. You can go through this. I'm giving the link of both the documents in the description below. You can click there and go and download the details. Now friends, if you want help from us, Class 2 College will support you in the admission process completely, from the filling to suggestion of colleges and counseling, that where you can get admission, where you cannot get admission, which will bring definite success to you. Our number is given below in the description. Again, you can subscribe our channel for future videos. We will be coming out with different videos on MBBS admissions. You can always take benefit out of it. Thank you, friends.